Hello, Gayatri here. Why this unity consciousness is really important in 2020 or 2021 when Earth Ascension is going on and so much changes happening in India or abroad, all over the world. It is due to this end of Kali Yuga or that is happening, and by December end there will be a major shift and changes. So be prepared for that. And right now the solar eclipse which happened 2 days ago, and that made a huge changes, and there is more chance of problems, especially this religious war and religious problem can shoot up in the coming years in India, especially here in India. The concept is really different, and unity consciousness is all about connecting with the truth and oneness. And maybe while passing through that non-duality, learning non-duality, we come across this duality, or while doing meditation many masters communicate with us, and you can see the messages. Some days it is more of, especially when we are in a country like India, where Mata Pita Guru Devam, so we are connected to the old masters who is still here, and they try to communicate more of the religion aspects. And what I am trying to do is I just listen, being a medium. Maybe these messages are channeling through me, but at the same time the aim is to shift the consciousness and transmute this lower frequency energy to higher dimension. And all the indigo and this crystal children of 70s and 80s, they have this power of higher dimension consciousness, which is already installed in their system, but maybe due to these situations, the family or the situations around them is not permitting. And while talking to these all religious masters, those who left the planet, they are ready, they are helping this collective consciousness, or shifting, helping Earth Ascension. But those who are still here are being connected to the groups, so their awareness is really different, and we can see such manipulative energies while doing meditation. But if you talk to a master of 20 or 25 or 30, they talk more about love energy. And what I understood while shifting from this 9D to higher level of consciousness to 11D or 12D, what you can reach there only when you think about that love energy. So that love is inside our own heart. When we connect with that heart energy, we connect with the universe or the world, or multi-dimensional view. There are so many other planets and life. There are so many other light beings helping here in human form or in other form. So star seeds, these crystal indigo children are star seeds. The rainbow kids who is coming in earth, new earth, is they are also helping to shift the Earth Ascension to unconditional love energy. So what I am observing, the changes happening in West, maybe more of women coming up in 2021. There will be more of Lady Christ consciousness. They talk more about Mother Mary or Mary Magdalene, and that unity is many things which was hidden from the public is being shared through these people. And here also we have a lot of twin flames, or Shiva, Parvati, and they all were avatars, and their consciousness was very high, or they all show us what love is, unconditional love is all about. But in India, the dimension or the concept of spirituality, even though they are sharing about this concept, but this is less than 7D, or they talk only till 7 chakras. But if you take the story of Shiva or Krishna or any angels, they all are working in higher dimensions. So there are so many new chakras activating in our body. Just observe that and connect with your heart essence and unity consciousness. Connect with maybe the next year more of divine masculine will awaken their true light and understanding to build that unity in this world. Thank you.